Good morning, Bridges students. Welcome to Tiger Thursday. So today we are going to do an art project together where you can draw a tiger face. For more art project ideas, you can find this lesson and other lessons at artprojectsforkids.org. There's a teacher, Kathy Barbro, who has put up lots of interesting and exciting art lessons that you can try at home on your own. But today we are going to draw a tiger face together. And it will look something like this. If you can draw an oval, curves, and triangles, then you can learn how to draw a tiger face too. And this is one example of what it might look like at the end. Here are some step-by-step directions. You need a piece of white paper and a black marker and some crayons. Or you could just do it with pencil or whatever you have, whether it's a pen or a pencil or crayons or markers. This is flexible. The first step is to make guidelines. One way that you can also do this is to take your paper and fold it in half and then in half again. And when you open it up, you will get 4 quarters that help you guide your drawing. Step 1 is you draw an oval. It's a type of circle that's rounded and slightly squished. So you have your white piece of paper and a pencil or any other drawing utensil. The first thing you need to do is, or you could do, you don't have to if you feel pretty good about your spatial awareness, but sometimes this is helpful. You can fold it in half and then in half again so that you have 4 quarters, and you have the guidelines to help you draw. Step 1 is drawing a large oval, and you want to keep about 2 fingers from the edges. So about 2 fingers from the edges. I draw a little line, a little line. Oh, my pencil's broken. I need a new pencil. And then just connect the lines around to draw your oval. And remember, we're all learning, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Step 2, draw the necklines and the nose. The nose is 2 straight lines that go from the center line slightly down, angled down, and then a curved line that connects the 2 lines. Step 2 is drawing the neckline, which is about halfway between the middle line and the edge. You can draw a neckline and the other side. You also want to draw the nose. That's about 1 finger from the center. You can draw a little point. And it's a straight line that goes slightly down. Straight line that goes slightly down. And you draw a curved line. Oops. Curved line to meet it. And I'm going to try to round it out so it's about the same. Step 3. You're going to add angled lines above the nose to meet the top of the head. So start from the corner of the nose and take it straight line all the way to the top, leaving a little space from your quarter line. Same thing on the other side. Step 3 is extending the lines above the nose to the top of your head, the head of the tiger. So from the center line, about 1 finger to the right, put a line, 1 finger to the left, you draw a little dot, and then you can connect from that point all the way to the corner of the nose. So straight line as you can, straight line as you can. That's step 3.
Step 4, draw your cheek lines from the nose to about the middle of the curved line from quarter 4. Same thing on the other side.
Step 4, you're going to be drawing the cheek lines, which goes from the corner of the nose to about 1 finger to the right and left of the neck. You can also draw the little line if that helps, and then you can connect the dots. Okay?
Step 5, you are going to draw 2 ears. That means 2 half circles or 2 curved lines on the side of quarter 2 at the top of the head and quarter 1 to make the 2 ears.
Step 5, you draw the ears, and the ears are about halfway along the top of the head. 2 curved lines, one inside the other. Same thing on the other side. 1 curved line and 1 other line. You can see this ear is a little bit wider and shorter, and that's okay. You can change it and erase it and fix it if you'd like. You also don't have to, because people and animals are not symmetrical.
Step 6, you're going to draw 5 triangles around each side of the tiger's face. You can make them a little bit bigger on the bottom and smaller on the top, or any way you like, but some triangles that come out from the inside of the tiger's face.
Step 6, drawing the triangles around the face. So you start from the edge here, draw a big triangle there, big triangle to meet the middle of that line, that can be the corner, another triangle right around the ear, and then 2 smaller triangles at the top of the head. Same thing on the other side, big triangle at the bottom, another big triangle in the middle, another triangle on this side, and no need to be perfect. We're all working on this. Okay.
Step 7, go ahead and add the eyes and the mouth. And those are 3 curved lines.
Step 7 is to draw the 2 eyes and the mouth. And in this particular drawing, the tiger's eyes are closed, so 2 curved lines for the eyes and 1 curved line for the mouth.
Step 8, you do it by hand or take a ruler and add 3 whiskers on each side of the tiger's face. 1 going slightly up, 1 going straight out, and 1 going slightly down on each side of the tiger's face.
And last step, step 8, before you color, is adding the whiskers. So this is the mouth part of the tiger. You draw 3 lines, 1 going up, 1 going to the side, and 1 going slightly downwards. Same thing on the other side. 1 going up, 1 going out, and 1 going slightly downwards. And there's about half a finger in between each whisker.
Step 9, you can go ahead and trace all your pencil marks with a dark color or dark colored marker. In this example, you can see the artist did it in black, and then fill in the tiger with any kind of colors you'd want.
you go. Tiger Thursdays.
And that's how you can draw a tiger. The idea for this lesson came from artprojectsforkids.org. Check it out for more ideas on different types of art projects. Thank you.